What's up everyone, my name is Aditya and welcome to HD Tech. And guys, in this particular video, I'm going to be discussing regarding the overall problem with Apple's iPhone 12 mini. Well guys, if you're following all of the news, then you know that Apple's iPhone 12 mini is not that compelling. Well guys, initially, Apple thought that it will be a drastic change for everyone to use a smaller handset. But nowadays, when we have started using it in a daily usage, then it makes more sense to buy the iPhone 12 rather than the 12 mini. Well guys, there are so many points because of which the iPhone 12 mini is not up to the point, and the first and the biggest problem according to me is the overall price to performance ratio. Well, definitely the iPhone 12 mini is the entry level iPhone in the iPhone 12 lineup. But for a typical mindset, if you are paying a high amount of money, then you need a at least bigger product. Well, it is already a very small iPhone. It is even smaller than the iPhone 10, the iPhone XS or the iPhone 11 Pro. So because of the overall small form factor and such an expensive price point, this particular phone is not that much compelling. Well guys, see, like this is a phone that you have to charge 2 times in a day, and also the entire video watching experience is not that appealing. Well, we all know that it is having exact same features, the exact same camera setup, the exact same HDR capabilities, but the overall size and the form factor is not that compelling. Well guys, don't get me wrong, there are still a majority amount of people who will prefer a smaller and a compact smartphone. And guys, speaking from my personal experience, after using the iPhone XS, now I feel that this particular iPhone is way smaller. Well guys, comparatively, after using any smartphone for quite some time, it becomes very comfortable. So right now, a 5.8-inch iPhone is smaller for me, so I can never imagine going towards the iPhone 12 mini. But on the other hand, there is actually no point in buying that iPhone. That the only reason why you can buy the iPhone 12 mini is just to have an iPhone, because if you want a phone to constantly record videos, that is not the best. If you want a phone with the longest battery life, that is not the one. So in terms of an overall package, the iPhone 12 mini is not that much compelling. So this is the major reason. Well, right now, Apple is still doing the entire production of this particular iPhone, but in the entire worldwide, all of the sale records are not that good. Well, in India itself, you are paying 70,000 rupees for this particular smartphone. So Apple thought to drop the price tag. So recently, we all saw a tremendous price drop. Well guys, recently on Amazon and Flipkart, you are getting the iPhone 12 mini for as low as 52,000 rupees. So as a whole package, Apple is really trying its level best to make this particular iPhone way more compelling. But the biggest problem according to me is the overall price to performance ratio, because first of which, everything is smaller. The display is smaller, the camera system is smaller, the battery life is smaller, and combining all of a smaller package, we all expect a smaller price tag. But still, the price tag is the major concern. Well guys, I don't know. After a couple of months, if the sales of this iPhone really take off, then Apple might keep it. But otherwise, they will definitely discontinue that, and we can expect similar results with the upcoming iPhone 13 lineup, because if they are not having any success with the 12 mini, then there is no question about the iPhone 13 mini. Well guys, with the help of this video, I just wanted to tell that currently all of the sales of the iPhone 12 mini are not that good, and if Apple wants to boost the sales, they have to either cut down the price tag or else they have to increase the features, and we all know that only cutting the price tag is the clever alternative. Well guys, let me know in the comment section what are your thoughts about this particular iPhone. I still personally like to use a smaller iPhone, but I am not ready to pay such a high price point. Well guys, thanks a lot for watching this quick video, and guys, I will meet you with another beautiful video. Until then, peace.